Go to Instagram section. You can show Instagram section in header and footer. I am selecting to show it in footer. There are two available layouts. Add image and the link to the post. Add as many posts as you want. Now all of the grid boxes have been filled with posts. Select whether to open the link in the same tab or in the new tab. Specify relationship attribute, show or hide Instagram button. Select button icon, write button label, add button URL, show image caption. You can either choose boxed or full width. In slider settings, you can enable slider in header and footer. Image ratio, image radius, appropriate image size. There are 3 hover effects. In design tab, I'm selecting open sans for button. Edit section padding. Specify item gap. Publish to save the customization.